What's up, guys? Lorenzo here from Mobile Detail by Zoe. I detail IE, OC, and LA, and today we're going to answer some questions regarding marketing.
So, for the people that don't know, how long have you been in business? And are you doing this part-time or full-time?
I've been in business right now probably a little bit over a year, and I'm doing this full time right now. And then
So I've been in the business for roughly 3.5 years, and I do it part time.
And what is the biggest thing you do to get business as far as marketing your business? Where are most of your clients coming from?
Alright, so basically most of my clients come from either Instagram ads or also referrals. So I try to always keep new business coming in, always try to talk to people, try to network with other people, and try to get my business as big as it can.
So yeah, it's pretty much the same with me. I try to do a lot of Instagram, word of mouth, stuff like that. Keep your quality up, and people will always call back and refer you to their friends or family and things like that.
Instagram ads. Have you guys ever used it before? Google ads, TikTok ads?
Yeah, I use Instagram ads a lot, and I also use YouTube ads as well as TikTok ads. But I like to get a lot of followers from TikTok, just post a video, promote it, and then a lot of people also see your Instagram and the content you're putting out because your Instagram's all linked with TikTok, so they can just click in the bio. So that's another good way for me to get some new followers and possibly a new client.
And how about you, Rudy?
It's pretty much the same with me. I'm pretty sure it is with other detailers as well. I do a lot of Instagram ads, and people start to notice your quality. And like I said, they tell their friends, they tell their family, and they notice the quality that you do, and how loyal you to the customers, give good prices, and yeah, just
Awesome.
keep your quality up.
And would you say, which platform has given you guys the biggest return? Has it been Instagram, YouTube, TikTok?
Instagram. Yeah, it's been Instagram. Instagram's big right now with stuff like that.
Yes.
I gotcha.
Yeah, same with me. I get a lot of people from Instagram. Most of my clients do come from Instagram, and that's usually where people book me and everything. So I would say that's where most of my people come from.
And are they DMing you? Are you DMing them?
For me, it's 50-50. I DM people, and as well, I get hit up a lot too. So yeah, it's a little bit of everything.
What is the most you guys have ever spent on ads, a month?
So for me, I like doing Google ads, so that would be my biggest. So I do YouTube ads as well as ads into my website. So the most I probably spend in a month is around $1,500 to $1,600.
How about you, Rudy?
I like to keep it simple. So I probably spent around $300 a month at most on Instagram ads. Around that range, yeah.
I gotcha. So can you guys walk me through that exactly? Let's say I just started a detailing business. I want to post an ad. How do I do that step by step? Do I just post a video? How do I post an ad?
Well, first, what you would want to do is half of the work, for one, and make sure it's something that you're proud of, so the people that reach out to you know what they're looking at and know what they're getting into.
For me, I like posting content that it's trending a lot and it's satisfying to people, because that's what usually people like to see. So if I follow a trend and then I promote it, I see a lot of growth and outcome out of that promotion.
Yeah, I watched some YouTube videos before, and for me, I had no interest in detailing. I found it satisfying watching something being really dirty and then it getting clean.
Yeah, exactly.
So 100% definitely is satisfying. What's something you don't like about the ads? Do you feel like it's too complicated? Do you feel like you don't get enough return on investment with your ads?
For me, it's just sometimes it's you have to keep checking on it, make sure you're in the right range, and also sometimes they don't work right away, so you're just wondering is this gonna work, and you just got to keep checking it and changing the settings on them to make them work out good.
What do you mean by range?
So range, there's usually a certain price limit that you go through in a day, each day, and sometimes it goes over that, so I always check to make sure it's just at the right amount.
what's the sweet spot in your opinion?
I like doing around $30 to $50 a day.
Okay, how about you, Rudy?
Pretty much the same, yeah. You would want to check your well, first you would want to have enough content for like your viewers to look at. So before you start like spending all this money, you would want to like showcase all your work and then start getting into something like that.
What's some advice you have for someone who wants to start to use ads to get business? Let's say someone has a brand new business, they want 100 customers tomorrow with ads. How much do you think that would cost me if I want to find 100 clients?
Well, it depends because of, like I said, if your quality is not there and you're new to this and you're not really getting into it, you shouldn't really like throw the stakes that high on yourself, put all that pressure on yourself. It's not good.
So what you're saying, Rudy, is you can't just post a photo or a video,
right, and
pay a bunch of money and expect to get
yeah,
people.
Yeah, because it's not going to happen. It's step by step.
So money is only part of it. The
Yeah,
other part
money's a part of it,
Uh-huh.
but your work is a main part as well.
Now, what do you mean by work? Just detailing, or you also mean how you make the video?
Well, quality in the video, quality in your work, and how you communicate with the client.
Yeah, I would agree with him. I would say build like a solid base first. Like do a few cars or with any business you're doing, have good content for you to actually promote. Because even if you you spend like $1,000, it's not guaranteed you're gonna get 100 clients because you don't have that base yet. So I would say build your base and then start promoting, and then grow your business from there.
Last thing, what's y'all's biggest piece of advice for people, wanting to grow a following on Instagram or wanting to get clients from their posts?
I would say be consistent with how you post. Maybe try to post a few times a week so people have more content to see, and then you start getting more followers the more you post, because the more content you have out there, the more people will see it, or the more chance people will see it. So I recommend that.
Stay consistent, like Lorenzo said. Be on top of your stuff. Make sure everything's updated. Always, like if you're offering a new service, promote that as well, because you never know when someone's going to be interested in whether ceramic coating, a polish. It just depends. All right, I'm Rudy from Diamond Details _1, and
I'm Lorenzo from Mobile Detail by Za.
make sure to like,
comment,
and subscribe.
See you in the next one.